So I am going to be sharing with you today my entryway for fall and getting this all cleaned up and organized. That way I can start decorating and making it look pretty, because right now it is literally a disaster. Alright, I better get started because I feel like this might take me a little while. So hope you guys enjoy. My entryway was a disaster, and I was so happy that I was finally able to get things picked up and organized. So I just started by putting everything back into the correct places. There were so many shoes hanging out down here that we didn't need to have. I keep a few tennis shoes that I use every day down here, so I left those out, and then all the others I put in a garbage bag to take upstairs to sort through and put them away. So I picked up these turquoise bins from Target, and what I'm using them for is basically storing all of like my regular season things that I don't want out during fall and winter. So I'm just putting those away. So I went ahead and threw this rug in the wash because it was so dirty. It's getting like stepped on all day, so it needed a good cleaning. Then I went in with our Dyson vacuum, and it's seriously my favorite thing ever. If you guys don't have one, you should. They are amazing, like everyone says. Then I took the broom for any little pieces I missed with the Dyson, and then went in with the Swiffer Wet Jet, and I use this thing all the time in our kitchen, and it works really well. It's super quick and easy to use, so I really like it. Now it's time to start decorating, which is my favorite part. I took down the old wreath, put up a new fresh fall one, and I loved how it looked. And now I'm getting started on our front porch, and I'm taking away this doormat for now and then putting in a fresh new one. So I've had the mums and the pumpkins for about a week now, but I didn't really like how it was set up, so I wanted to make it cuter, and so I ended up finding this corn stalk at our nearest pumpkin patch. So we got that, and I think it added just a little bit extra, and I like the greenery it adds to the space. Basically, you can arrange your pumpkins however you like, so it's just about moving things around, trying different things, and making it look how exactly you want it to. I found this super cute welcome to our patch sign at the Dollar Tree. I love seeing all the fall colors come together. I think it's looking so cute. For those wondering where I got our doormat, I actually just purchased it from Big Lots, and they are 20% off right now, which it came to I think $7 and some change. So I thought that was a great price. I needed to wipe down the shoe cabinet, and I used the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. It smells so good. And then Wet Ones antibacterial wipes, which work really good. You don't need to use both. I just like the smell of the apple cider, and just makes it that much more fun to clean. You really don't realize how dusty things get, but it was really dirty, which was kind of gross. So basically just wipe everything down, make sure it's all dust free, and then you're good to go. So I got command hooks to hang this really cute Hello Autumn sign, but what I would recommend is getting like stronger command hooks because later in the day it fell down. So I would suggest using like heavier duty ones than the ones I'm using, but it turned out really cute. I love it hanging there. So next I got this vase at the Dollar Tree and the pumpkins, so super inexpensive, but I think it looks so cute and adds just a little bit of decor to your space. So in all that cost me like $4, which is not bad. I wanted to add some light to the space, so I got these starry lights at the Target dollar spot, and they're so cute. They have leaves on them, so it's perfect for fall, and these were only $3. I also picked up these fake leaves at the Dollar Tree and just spread them out all over. I wanted to make this little corner festive and fun, so I got this Hey Pumpkin at HomeGoods, and it was, I think, $4.99. It was really cheap, and I loved how it looked there, and I think it ties in really well with the white vase in the back. And then I just added some Target dollar spot pumpkins, and those are only $1 each. I think adding fall stems to your floral arrangements makes it look that much more fall, so I love how it looked, and I like the textures it brought in, and of course the colors are beautiful. And then I just added another Dollar Tree vase with the pumpkins in the back, and I like how it all tied together. And this is the finished product, which I really enjoy how it looks. I think people are gonna like it when they come in. Definitely gives me all the fall vibes. If you guys don't know, Leaves is my favorite candle ever. I love the smell every single year. It just is a great reminder that fall is here. Then I just placed our keys back into the marble tray, and basically that's it, you guys. I love this little area. I think it's perfect for our entryway. This Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes sign is from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so cute hanging there right by our door. And yeah, so that's how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. As always, I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week.